This is a video explanation of my 3D perspective camera that I mentioned in my college essay. This was really fun to build, partially because Desmos doesn't support 3D stuff like this. Um, Over here, I can show this is how I define a point, and you can see it here. If I try to add a third dimension to it, it doesn't work. An error pops up. Um, and so for this, I was trying to figure out how I could uh, do the math to create a 3D perspective camera. I based it off a pinhole camera as my main kind of thing. And it actually, this isn't my first attempt, but this one ended up being pretty simple. It only requires 3 dot products and a little bit of division to project an individual point onto the final place. One of the challenges I had was trying to figure out how to render each polygon over in the right order so things behind don't appear in front. And I found that you can use, there's a sort command. And so I have a list of the distances from the polygon, of each polygon from the camera. And I use that to determine the render order. And then also using that list, I can attach each color to the polygon so they don't change as you move around. Here's some of the code I did for this. Um, you can see all of it. I've linked the a link to this graph, so if you get your hands on it and want to try and control it, you can move auto move to 0, and it allows you to it stops the moving, and you can manually control the angle of the camera and the height. Here, right now, I'm controlling the height of the camera. This is how you control the angle. And this is the location of the camera. And here's a little map with the center. Thank you for listening to my explanation of this.